You tired of having your wife's shoes take up all the room on your shoe mat in your mudroom? Just kidding. It's winter time. We wear a lot of different, shoes and boots when we go out, and we don't like having them just sit there on our floor and dripping water all over the place. We do have a small shoe rack, but look, I have a pair of boots and a pair of sneakers, and my wife has a pair of sneakers in there. So there's not a lot of room here for any additional shoes, or for when anybody comes over, for any company that comes over. Don't want it all. We have a little throw rug here in front of the door, but then that's in front of the door. So, wanted to have more room to put more shoes. So I went online, looking around, trying to find something. We wanted more of a tray, not a carpet, because, sometimes we're traipsing in and out in the snow, and we come in with our boots. We didn't want the water just flowing off the mat or soaking through the mat and getting the floor all wet. So we wanted a tray. Let me show you what I found. Here we go. A nice rubber mat. It's got like I don't know, whatever you call it. It looks like diamond plate. It's not very tall, so you won't trip over it. It is rubber. It has I don't know, maybe an inch or whatever lip on it. So you can pick it up here. This is 47.5 inches long and 16 inches wide. Should be able to fit a bunch of shoes on here. Let's see. Here's my boots. Here's my sneakers. Here's my wife's sneakers. Still have lots of room to walk around through the door. Even if I step on it, it's rubber. It's not hard plastic, so it doesn't even trip me. Look at all the room. I could fit 2 more pairs. Let's see. And I'll use my sneakers because they're bigger. There we go. So I could fit 3 pairs of my sneakers, a pair of my big boots, and a pair of my wife's sneakers on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. I think that's going to work out. I like this a lot better. So when you come in and out of the snow, you put your stuff up, the water stays here. It's rubber, so you don't trip over it. If you end up stepping on it. I think that's a good deal. All right, so what do you think? Heavy duty rubber, almost 4 foot long, 47.5 inches, 16 feet wide. 16 feet. Whew. Boy, that's some big feet if it's 16 feet. Whew. 16 inches. And I wear size 11, so they fit on there pretty good. So, anyway. Fit 5 pairs of my shoes, and if it's all my wife's, probably more, but. Well, anyway, just leave it in the comments below. What do you think? And if you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. Trying to improve this channel here. And give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.